friends, welcome back. Let's quickly discuss about the analysis of Nifty or what should we expect going forward into tomorrow's trading session. You see, I was just talking about yesterday that if we are getting a confident close above this particular high, something like this, and move up, then we will be in good position to open a longer entry. But instead, I already had this suggestion that there might be a possibility because this is market we may see break of this particular low, and it did happen, and we got a small pullback, and this should have been our entry, and subsequently we were having a good downside momentum. If in case you were trailing something like this, keeping as first stop loss here, first is stop loss over here, sorry, what's going on here, the second would be here. And if you analyze this price action closely, let me remove this. Okay, so this was a momentum burst move, quite good momentum going to the downside. How much was the retracement? If you try to measure it, it will be giving a simple idea that who exactly was in control during this all move. So if you see, this particular move was, if we divide this, let me see, if we divide this entire move into 50-50 half, this move counter move was not even able to go to the 50%. That means sellers were in complete control today, you see. And this was the pullback, and it seems like the party to the downside is still remaining. There might be some, you know, sell move or sell swing is still pending in this particular price action. So if it is like that, then our view should be to open short trade below 18100, 18100 on futures chart. I usually talk about futures chart in case we are getting or we should be anticipating something like this. The very same price action you got here should be applied here, and in case you are getting a small pivot or a small turning point, then you should be opening a short position for a flow to the downside. So let's see how well the price action opens tomorrow, and moreover, our view is to the bearish side. You might be just suggesting that these why we are not opening a long position over this particular swing, because this was a swing back to the upside, making a new structure high, and now we are just retracing. So, in fact, if you see the longer picture or the bigger picture, this is our entire move. This was the correction, right? And now we might be continuing this thing. We might be continuing this thing because if you try to visualize, I was thinking that from this move we might have got the start of a new move from 50%, but there might be a possibility that we are going much more deeper to go somewhere close to 61.8 retracement. That will be around 17608. So there might be a possibility that this is one leg, this is one leg retracement, and we might see something like this to complete the retracement for this particular move in the channel. So if that is the case, I think we might be seeing some down move is still pending in the market for the indices and of course for the stocks as well. So this is the possibility we will be talking about. We'll be looking for in these indices tomorrow. Let's quickly look at over the stocks. Divis Labs. Divis Labs is still standing tall, not too much down or something like that. It was down in uh, last few trading sessions, but once there was correction in the Nifty and overall market, this former pack was just holding up. So there might be a possibility that we are making very good basing. You may call it any pattern, cup handle or something like that, saucer. But you might see a basing here, and in case of overall weakness in the broader market, pharma pack may show some strength. So we'll be opening a buy position around 3450.25 and with a SL of 34.25. Trailing will be same behind every stop. Swing low. This is another stock, Lalpath, and we'll be opening long position around 2270.25 above this particular swing or this candle. SL will be just below this swing, which will be 2227.65, and we will keep on trailing behind every swing low. The next one is Polycab. This has also formed some consolidation kind of pattern, and in case if it is just moving above this high of this consolidation, which is around 2615, we can see or build a long position with SL of 2582. So I see that this is some kind of consolidation, and since prices are getting reduced in volatility, it may break to the upside, or you know, if it breaks or opens downside below this particular level of 2582, then it is out of our watch list. So these are the only three stocks, because I still think we have a positive stance in the market, overall market. So I have not included anything for short, but yes, these are the stock which should be kept on watch list for tomorrow's trading session. If you find the setup, you can go ahead for opening particular positions. All right. So if you are having any query or any feedback suggestion for the content, you can always put in the comment section and will be happy to reply it back. And in case you want any specific stock to be discussed or sorted out technically, you can also make a request. In case not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification icon so that you can get notified for every video which is posted. All right, guys, thank you very much.